Hi, my name is Michael Velasquez, and I'm going to show you how to operate a firearm safely. Rule number 1, always keep the gun pointed in a safe direction. Rule number 2, always keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot. Rule number 3, always keep the gun unloaded until ready to use. Rule number 4, always wear eye and ear protection. Rule number 5, know your target and what's beyond. So what I have right here is a Glock 22/40 caliber. I'm just going to show you the basics of this gun. First of all, we got the slide right there. We also have the slide lock right here. This lock allows the slide to be locked back. We also got the magazine release right here. Obviously it's going to let it go. Just put it back in there. And we also have the trigger right here. You know, this is one of the most important things of this weapon. You know, it allows you to fire this weapon. And finish it off, we also got the flashlight. You know, whenever we need it, it's going to be right there. And just finish it out, we're ready to rock and roll.